Customer number 2175 from the clean out towards the street. Here's the clean out here. I'm going to head out towards the street. And it makes a turn here. You can notice all that scale. All that scale not allowing everything to drain quickly. And then right here it turns to clay or PVC. You can see that large hump of scale right there not allowing the water to flow freely. Then we got some roots growing in right here at the coupling. Looks like we may have some roots growing here at the bottom of the pipe, right where the water's sitting. You can see how there's pooling right there. I think there's some roots growing there. And then we have some more roots growing right there. And some more roots growing there. And this right here is where it drops in at the city tap. So I'm going to recommend to the customer that they have the lines jetted. I'm going to go ahead and locate the spots where the roots are growing in. I'm going to recommend that those sections be replaced. And that's video number 1.